Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing well. I'm back with another tutorial. So today we are gonna get the best out of the Instagram web. So let's get started. So guys, here I'm bringing you to the Google Chrome where I have logged already into my Instagram account. So let's get ahead to the Instagram. So when you look at Instagram, you might see something missing over here, like the story, post story one, post note, posting photos, and everything option is just invisible. As they're only specific to the mobile version, you can't access them on the web version. To make your experience just amazing, just like the mobile one, I have got a trick for you. So when you open your Instagram, click on these three buttons here and head over to more tools and then developer tools. After getting into developers tools, you will just like to click here on the toggle device toolbar, and the ratio of the Instagram website will change to a phone size one. Then you can later click this arrow and select the preferable device you want to. Like I have selected the Pixel 2 XL, and then just refresh the page. Here you have got everything back, like the plus notifications and search button and even messages and everything like the phone experience. After you have selected a device, you can just close out this side box and just enjoy the experience of mobile. So this was the video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, got something informative. If you have liked this video, click on the like button, share, subscribe to my channel, and for more updates on tech.